Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Claude Code Agents explained right here. Claude Code Agents, often called sub-agents, are specialized delegated AI assistants that operate within Anthropic's Claude Code developer environment. They are essential for breaking down large complex coding projects into smaller, manageable, and highly focused tasks, dramatically improving the efficiency and coherence of AI-assisted development. Let's get to the agentic principle, that is delegation and isolation. The core power of sub-agents comes from their ability to function as an isolated, specialized team. Let's start in here. We have context isolation. Each agent works in its own clean context window. This means a test automata agent can run, generate logs, and write tests without that noise cluttering the architect agent's main memory. The primary Claude model only receives a summarized report of the result, allowing it to maintain focus on the big picture plan over long sessions. Secondly, in here we have specialized expertise. Each agent is defined by a unique, highly detailed system prompt. You can define one as a meticulous security auditor or a creative React front-end expert. This forces the AI to use its reasoning with a specific professional mindset and checklist, leading to higher quality, more consistent outputs. Thirdly, in here we have scoped tool access. Agents can be configured to only access the tools they need. A linter agent might only be allowed to run code style checks, while a build engineer has permissions to run the compiler and unit tests. This increases security and prevents the agent from getting distracted by irrelevant tools. Now, let's get to the full guide. That is how to use AI coding agents. Effectively using Claude Code Agents involves orchestrating the workflow like a senior developer managing a team. First, in here we have a project setup and context. First, you must install this Claude Code CLI and feed the main Claude model your project context. The best practice is to create a claude.md file in your project root. This markdown file serves as the system prompt for your primary Claude agent, detailing the codebase architecture, project goals, and coding standards. This is the foundational knowledge all agents rely on. Secondly, we have agent definition and creation. You don't always need to manually write agent definitions. The simplest, most effective method is to use the main Claude model to design the agents of you. In here we have this prompt example. Ask Claude right here, analyze my current code base and propose 3 essential sub-agents, one for database work, one for code review, and one for documentation. Define their specific roles and tool access. Here, Claude will then suggest the specific agents like a database optimizer or a doc scribe, which you can formally configure with their custom system prompts. Thirdly, in here we have orchestration and task delegation. The main Claude acts as the project manager, delegating tasks using simple prompts. Instead of asking the main Claude to refactor the database schema and update the documentation, you can break it down like this. We have the main agent, where you can ask it to develop a plan of refactoring the user data model. We also have delegation or schema. Now, delegate the schema change execution to the database optimizer. Have it create the new migration file. Thirdly, in here we have delegation, where you can ask Claude to, once the migration is complete, delegate the task of updating the corresponding API documentation to the doc scribe agent. Now finally, by delegating complex multi-step tasks to these focused sub-agents, you leverage Claude's deep reasoning ability across multiple highly optimized personalities, allowing the AI system to solve problems that would be too large or complex for a single general purpose model. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.